Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lian Duan, and I have been a developer for 20 years, specializing in DevOps and cloud security. Today's hands-on demo will guide us through the steps of sharing a private project on GitLab. We'll focus on how Lian Duan can grant access to his private project demo test to his friend Tao Duan. By the end of this demo, you will be able to share your private project on GitLab. Let's start. Here's what Lian Duan needs to do. First, open your browser and log into your GitLab. My current login user is Lian Duan. In the left side navigation menu, select Projects, and then move a little bit down. Click Demo Test Project that I want to share. In the left side navigation menu, select Manage, and then click Members. In the right top corner, click Invite Members. Enter the email address or username of the people you want to share the project with. Input name Tao Duan. Select Search Result. Next, set their access level. Guest can see the project. Reporter can see the project issue. Developer is able to make change to the project. Maintainer usually can make big change and manage the project. Owner is a master, has full control of the project. Select developer for Tao Duan. Also, we can configure access expiration time. Let's give the end of this year. Click Invite. You'll see that Tao Duan is currently on the list. And then switch to the Tao Duan Gmail to accept the invitation. You'll see there's an email from GitLab. Title is access to the training/demo test project with granted. Open the email. You have been granted access to the training/demo testing project with the developer role. Click the project name. Tao Duan is able to see the project information. It's simple, right? Tao Duan is a developer of the demo test project. Additional tips. Also, you can share your project with a group, which give access for the all group members. If you want to see the hands-on demo, please leave the comment below. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you the next time.